Guys, I will be dictating two passages every day, one general and one legal. So subscribe to my channel for latest updates. 5 seconds. Mr. Chairman, sir, what the member who just concluded his speech spoke at the end of his speech is very relevant in the context of the recent incidents in Ahmedabad in Gujarat. I am glad that there is some sense left in spite of all the arguments that may be placed before us. My learned friend Shri Arun Jaitley is not here. He is a good advocate for all bad cases. Anyway, as Shri Reddy spoke eloquently from our side, Shri Arun Jaitley spoke from the treasury benches. I do not want to score points on debate. I just want to make my point based on the experience we have had when TADA was in force. There was some kind of sarcastic observation made to effect that Congress was responsible. Yes, as this government is now contemplating to find appropriate measures, the government also brought certain measures into force. But what is required is experience. Lessons have to be learnt from experience. What is our experience? Para, it is the political will which is necessary, not a piece of legislation. I do not want know whether the Honorable Home Minister who demonstrates himself to be an Iron Man is lacking in that political will, and I do not know if he wants to arm himself with this piece of legislation because of that reason. You can bring any number of pieces of legislation into force. Ultimately, if you do not have the political will in the governance of the country, a piece of legislation can hardly be of any help. Para, as a member of the government, as a member of the ruling party, I revolted against the misuse of TADA and I paid the price. I lost my job in the government. I was implicated even in a false case in which even the Honorable Home Minister was also implicated. The same Shri Arun Jaitley was the advocate for the minister then. I had a different advocate. Laws can be well founded, but the machinery to which we give this power is important. The gentleman who spoke last said that he was a police officer. He would be well aware of his importance. I am not questioning the record of that gentleman, although he has taken the side on which he is now. The point is, we are explaining to you the kind of abuse of law can head to. Who is asking you to compromise with the security of the country? Nobody is telling you. The other day we spoke from the same benches asking you to fight and finish Pakistan. But in the name of Pakistan, why do you target innocent people? Can the Home Minister, whatever may be his good intentions, go and see what kind of situation is prevailing? Mr. Home Minister, I am respectfully submitting to you. You were not in the government at that time, but we were in the government. Whether it was Maharashtra or Gujarat or at the center, we were in the government. We found fault with that. The whole Congress party revolted and the rest of the members from the opposition benches also revolted. So TADA was repealed. TADA did not go through, as somebody rightly pointed out when it was to be passed in Rajya Sabha. Then it lapsed. It is the bitter experience, the apprehension, or the well-founded fear of the weaker sections of the society which are to be taken note of. Para, we advance arguments here. We talk of safety and security of the country. Nobody is asking you to compromise. We talk about peace and law and order. Nobody is asking not to deal with the situation. They say that in a law like this, which is required in the larger interest of the country, the House is divided on party lines. Nobody is divided on party lines. Arguments which were advanced from this side have never been answered by that side. What we find is that they divert, deviate, and put it again to this side. Is that the answer? That is not the answer. The answer should be based on logic, and the answer should be based on the experiences. Para, I do not want to take much time of the House. I honestly and sincerely, with all humility and my command, appeal to the government to demonstrate the political will. The existing law has got enough teeth. If there is no teeth, then one can understand that a new legislation is required. When the existing law has got enough teeth, you can deal with the situation provided you have a will. If you do not have a will, and if you want legislation after legislation, then one cannot help. If you do not use the law properly, one cannot help.